discussing about house, food, water, different types of related to our body, our daily life. But today now we have to start a new lesson with the name of organ health, lesson number 8, page number 77. Open your textbooks. So let's start a new lesson. See yourself in a mirror. Which part of our body can you identify? Name them. Means what? You know the parts of body. Which are the different parts of body, childrens? We have studied in KG classes to last first standard also. So now today we have to start a organ health. Health means related to our whole part of body. Okay. So which of the parts of body, childrens? Do you know? Yes, there are head, hairs, eyes, nose, ears, mouth, lips, teeth, tongue, ears, neck, chin, and all some are the different parts of our body. So you have to write here the different parts of body. Try to understand and try to correct the spellings. Which first one is this, childrens? This is the eyes. Next one, this is head, nose, lips, neck, hands, fingers, legs and toes. All these are the parts of body. You have to write by using pencils only. Don't write with the pen and write the correct spelling. Identify the parts of body and write their names. Okay. So on next page, play a game. They are given one game to play yourself, children. Divide yourself into two groups. If you are not now in schools, but try to play with your parents or your friends. So make it two groups and let the member of one group show a part of body. Let the another group say the name of the part of body. Let the game continue in the same way. What you have to do, you have to do some actions, mind actions on that time. So other group will identify which part of body is this. This is the eyes, nose. Okay. Try to do this game, play at home. So here are some pictures. Parts of body are also mentioned. Which part of our body do you use to perform an activity that is in the picture? Put right mark. Here some pictures. Parts of body are also mentioned. So you have to write which part of your body and make it right mark. Take pencils in your hand and write the mark. What that girl is doing here, which work she is doing here, children, and which part of body she is using? She is using legs for running. She is running, and which part of body she is using here? Legs. With the help of legs she is running. So you have to mark where is your leg here. First one is mouth, eyes, ear, nose, hand and leg. So you have to do the right mark to the leg only. Okay. Next part of body, what he is doing here, what that boy is doing, he is taking a fragrance of a flowers. So which part of body he is using here? He is using nose. By using our nose, we are getting different smell, different fragrance of essence sticks, some flowers. Okay. So write tick mark to the nose only. Third one, what he is doing here? He is making garlands of flowers or some mango leaves and putting hanger wall to the door, on the door. So which part of body he is using here, children? He is using his hands. So make hand to the right mark. Last fourth one, what that girl is doing here? She is hearing some music, some songs. So which part of body she is using here again? Ear. She is here with her ear. Okay. So write, put mark to the ear. Are you done, children? Okay. Turn next page on 79. Here some other. What girl is doing here in this picture, children? What she is doing here? She is singing a song. So which part of body she is using here again? Which part of body? Singing means mouth. By using her mouth, she is singing a song. So put right mark in the first column. And last one picture, some birds are flying on them in the sky and the boy is watching to them. So which part of body he is using here to see? eyes. We can see the things by using our eyes only. So write down eyes to the tick mark. Are you getting? These are some work which we are doing by using our whole part of body. So here some puzzles they are given in our textbooks. Who I am. You have to write the answers. First one, solve the riddles with the help of teachers or elders. Write the answers in the given box. I am black but not a crow. I am black but not a crow. I am white but not a butter. I have water but not a well. I have lids but not a vessel. Who I am. You have to write which part of body is this. I am a black but not a crow. Next one, I am white but not a butter. Means here answer is a eyes. You have to write here answer is a eyes. Who I am means EYES eyes. Are you written? Okay. Why eyes? Because it's a black. Middle part of our eyes is black, but it's not crow. Side part is our eyes is white, but it's not a butter. I have water, but I am not a well. Yes, in your eyes some water are there. Yes, if you are crying, it will come flow. So I have a water, but I am not a well. I have lids, but not a vessel. Means what? Our eyelids are there, but it's not a vessel. So which part of our body is a eyes? So are you written eyes? So uses of our eyes. Eyes help us to see. What we are doing by using our eyes, children? We are see. We see the things by using our eyes. Avoid dust from getting into your eyes. Don't rub eyes when dust falls into it. Show it to your elders. Some children are doing such type of things. If you are walking from the road or some other way, the pollution are there too much. So dust, if some dust, some yes, dust maybe. So what that time, what you are doing, children, you are rubbing your eyes like this, but you don't do such things. What you have to do on that time, show to your elders. Don't rub it. If you rub, then it will get some injury, it will get some infections. Okay, keep it in mind. Avoid dust getting into your eyes and don't rub eyes when dust fall into it. Show to your elders. Keep it in mind, children. Don't rub to your eyes. Okay. Next riddles is here. I have two holes. I help you smell. Without me you cannot breathe. Who I am? Yes, it is correct. It is a nose. It is a nose. Why it is a nose? I have two holes. We have two holes to our nose. Okay. And I help you to smell. Nose what it helps to smell the things, smell the food. Okay. Smell the fragrance of flowers. We are using by our nose. Without me you cannot breathe. It's very important part of our body. We are taking breathing in our body. By which part of body we are using, children, here? By using our nose. We are breathing. So it is a NOSE, nose. Write down, children's answer is nose. So dust enters our nose when we walk outside. Hence clean your nose every day. Don't put sticks or pencil into the nose. Dust enters our while you are walking on the road or outside, that time some dust enters in your body with the help of our nose. So don't put so clean your nose regularly while you are doing bath or you are washing your face. That time by using water you clean your nose and with a wipe with your towel. And don't put stick or pencil into the nose. Some small children, they are doing such type of activities. Don't put your pencil, stick, anything in your nose and ears. This is a very important. These are the small parts of our body. So next part of body, you need me to talk, you need me to eat. Without me, you cannot even laugh. Who I am? This is a mouth. What we are doing with your mouth? What we are doing, children? You need me to talk. Yes, I am talking now with the help of mouth. Yes, with the help of my mouth I am talking. I am laughing. You are also laughing. You are also talking. You are giving me answers with the help of your mouth. And you are eating food with the help of your mouth. So, clean the mouth with water as soon as you get up in the morning, before and after every meal. What we have to do, children, when you are getting from your bed, do the brush, teeth you are cleans daily. Okay, this is a good habit. And as soon as get up in the morning, and you have to, before and after your meal, you have to gargle in the water in your mouth. Okay, next one, in a little cropped well without any water enough, I am always there to help you listen to a lesson or a song. Interesting sticks or chalk piece will only hurt you and indefinitely who I am. This is our ear. What ear helps you? It helps to sing hear some good music, some sounds, and I am teaching a lesson. You are hearing with your ear. You are seeing the pictures by using your eyes. I am showing on page number this to this. You are seeing that your eyes by using your eyes, but you are listening a lesson by using your ears. Okay. So don't put sticks, crayons, pencils, sharp things into your ear. I told before that don't put anything, pencil, crayons, pen in your sticks in your ear and nose. Why do you close your ears when there is a loud sound while bursting crackers? Why you are doing such type of, if bursting crackers, now the Diwali has gone like right now, so that time some bursting crackers, some children are playing with them, or at some time some big musics are there, so that time you are closing your ears. Why? Because a loud music can't help to our ear, it's very harmful to us, so we are doing like that. Here, to write, hold, show and give, you need me and ever will. You cannot take a morsel through to your mouth without my will. Who I am. This is our hand. Up to hand. What we are doing? We are using with the help of our fingers. Means we are writing. Next one, holding. You are holding some pen, pencils into your hand. You are showing anything. Yes, I am showing now this book by using my hand and finger. And I am giving something to someone. You are also playing with your friends. You are playing ball, cricket ball, catch, or all these things. So by you are using your hands on that time. So there are fingers in a hand. How many fingers are all together in our both hands? 10 fingers, children. How many? 10 fingers we have. Observe this, their shapes. All of them are equal? No, all our 5 fingers are equal, children. Same? No, there are some short. These first we called as a thumb. Second finger we called as a direction finger, point finger. Third finger is a middle finger. Fourth finger is a ring finger, and fifth finger is a little finger. They have some different names, 5 names. Know the name of 5 finger. Cut your nails once in a week. What we have to do? This is a good habit. Cut your nails regularly. Means in say 1 week you have to cut your nails. Next, wash your hands before and after eating. While you are taking breakfast, dinner, lunch, whatever it may be, you have to wash your hands firstly. Next one, jumping, skipping, running and hopping. I take you to the school for sure. I help you work and also play. You dance and learn because I am here. Who I am? Yes, its correct answer is a leg. Jumping, yes, we are doing this. In our school there are sports time. That's in the sports, what you are doing, children, or your PE period is there. So that time you are playing on a ground with use of your legs. What you are doing? Jumping, skipping, running, hopping, all the activities you are doing in your schools. So there are toes in our leg. Toe, front part of, I can't show right now here, but you identify which is the toe. Here they are shown. This is called a toe. Next one, observe that the shape of finger and toes are different. Fingers and toes, they are also different. Toe means that is some big, fat, thick, and it is some four fingers are a small. It is possible to walk with one leg. Try. Yes, it is possible. We can't play only 5 to 10 minutes, but we can't walk for a long time. We have to need our two legs. Okay. Are you written these riddles, answer children? What I teach now, these eyes, nose, mouth, ear, hands and leg. Are you written? Okay. We will start some other game they are